What's going on, guys? Crypto Shoney here with another daily cryptocurrency video for you. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today I wanted to cover between the big three, if you will, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and LiteCoin, which ones are the most profitable given the current price and difficulty respectively for each coin. So basically, for this model, I use Crypterra's cost as the example because currently they have the lowest costs per terahash that I've found. So I thought it was a good start. And basically, what I did was I tried to for each one get around $100 of an investment so that it was kind of an even scale between the three. So it might not be 100 exactly, but your initial investment will be around the same. And wanted to see what would have the fastest ROI and then who would have the most profitability per week or per month, whatever you guys like to look at. So what I started with was Bitcoin, and you just saw there for 102 bucks basically you get 800 gigahash. So I put 800 in, no wattage, no power cost, no pool fee with the promotion right now. And with 102 hardware cost, it would take 55 days to break even, and basically per week you make about 13 bucks and per month about 55.5. So that was Bitcoin. I did the same for Ethereum, and for $90 you could get 12 megahash. Same thing, no wattage, no costs, no pool fee, and this actually came up slightly more profitable right now. The days to break even was 46, and you'd make $58 per month versus the 55 on Bitcoin. Now, there's a lot of factors that go into profitability, but the key two being the current price of the coin and the current difficulty to mine for the coin. So, as more and more people add mining power to these mining pools, the difficulty goes up, and hence the profitability goes down. So you could run this tomorrow and it potentially could be different. This was just as of today, and I know Ethereum has had quite a good run over the last day or so. They're almost up to 1100. So if you'd have run this a couple days ago, Ethereum probably would have been less profitable than Bitcoin. So lastly, I did LiteCoin. For $105, you could get 30,000 kilohash. So same power, same wattage settings here. This was the least profitable right now. 86, almost 87 days to break even, and $36 per month. Now, that being said, a lot of people are really high on LiteCoin right now. They think it's the next, Bitcoin, if you will. It's on the Lightning Network. The transaction times are really fast, and once they get atomic swap, they will be instantaneous, similar to like PayPal or any of those other services. So, me personally, I think it's a good idea to start mining LiteCoin now, as the price is going to continue to, in my opinion, skyrocket due to its technology. A lot of people say LiteCoin is the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Gold is a store of wealth. You buy a house with it. You buy a car with it. So that's like your Bitcoin. And then LiteCoin is your transactional currency. So you buy a cup of coffee with it, or your day-to-day things, because transaction costs are lower. So hopefully these retail stores will start accepting that, because it is way less than the current transaction fee for Bitcoin. So that was kind of, I use these all the time to figure out what's going to be most profitable. As you can see in my account, I decided to put everything that I've invested into Bitcoin this time, just because it was the most profitable at the time. I have gotten some more affiliate bonuses here, so again, guys, I greatly appreciate the support there. Every little bit helps, and I've also got a little LiteCoin here, so I think someone did like a test transaction to make sure this wasn't a scam, so they got a little bit of LiteCoin, and then I've still got my little bit of Ethereum here from an affiliate as well. So I will continue to put my links down there in the description and the comments for both Crypterra and HashFlare. I greatly appreciate that. Just a quick update on withdrawals. I've had a lot of comments and continue to get those around how long it's taking. My last 2 transactions have been really fast. I've gotten both of them in an hour, including the time it took Crypterra to batch them. So I think they are paying more fees now to help us out and get our money faster. Lastly, on this Christmas sale, for those that don't have enough money to invest in the enterprise plans to get the 20 or 25 or 30% off, I have found a coupon code, and I'll show it to you really quick, where you can get 10% off regardless how much you invest. And I'll just prove it to you guys here that it's working right now, so if they do turn it off, I don't look silly. So we'll just do 115 bucks, just an arbitrary amount here. And their website has been a little slow lately, which again makes me believe that they are getting a lot of new users and their servers are getting kind of taxed. So just be patient. I know have taken the servers down, I think twice in the last week, just trying to make some upgrades. So just be patient with them. And the code here is Happy 2018. And it should be 10% off, which in this case would be like $11.15. So this should go down to 103.68. It'll say coupon applied. So feel free, if you guys sign up, feel free to use this code to get 10% off any amount of hashing power if you don't spend enough to get the enterprise discount. So good to know there. Lastly, one of the users, or one of my subscribers rather, did build a website, and they posted the link in here, and I thought this was really cool because it takes it one step further than Coin Wars in that you can put in some different variables here. So let's say you invested or you purchased 10 terahash here, your 2-year contract, so 730 days. And on your strategy, you do what I generally like to do, which is you reinvest, or you get your ROI first, so you're minimizing your risk, and then reinvest everything after that to maximize profits. We leave the Bitcoin price the same. The forecast is we think it's slightly optimistic on the Bitcoin price, and then the difficulty increases 3% every 2 weeks, which I think was the average over the last week. You click on the button, and basically what it does is it says, okay, you got 64 days to break even, and then you'll reinvest for 485 days. Now, the reason this isn't, the difference between 730 and this is because it is showing you that you might not have enough minimum to reinvest every single day to get a withdrawal. So you're reinvesting for 485 days. At the end of your 2-year term, you'll have 2,148 terahash, and you only had 10 to start with. So simply on compounding interest, this is what you'll have, and then your net payout after your return on investment would be $301,000, which is almost 12 Bitcoin. So pretty powerful to kind of see compounding interest at its finest. This table does break down day 1 to day 730, so you can see on day 65 or 66, when you had your investment back, you start doing these reinvestments, and your hash rate continues to climb. So I'll scroll all the way down here, and by day 730, here's your 2,148 terahash, and you're getting a daily payout of over $1,500. And the cool thing about this is it does take into account Bitcoin price changes as well as difficulty changes. So yeah, it's not going to be 100% accurate, but this can kind of show you at least what the benefit of compounding interest is. So pretty cool. Shout out to this guy for creating this. I don't know if you noticed, there was a tab for the HashFlare profit as well. I haven't used this yet, but yeah, give it a try. So I think that's pretty much it for today, guys. Again, do your own research. You figure out which coin is the most profitable. What do you want to invest in? You could split it up against all three if you really wanted to kind of hedge your investment or your risk, if you will, and use multiple platforms like I do. That way, you're spreading your investments across different areas to minimize your risk. So that's it for today. Please do like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and you can continue to see these videos every day. With that, I'll go ahead and wrap it up. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.